Orions, they have the rubber casing around them. This is impact resistant. And then also it's really important for our slabs, since these can do a 1/4 inch or 3/4 inch deep. We can see if it's just dry on the surface or it's actually getting dry deeper into the slab or into lumber also. But the slabs are definitely very important, getting it drier deeper inside.
This is a nice size unit. It's very handy to grab as opposed to grabbing the bigger one. So if we've got a customer here looking at some of our product and says, well, how dry is this stuff? We can grab this, punch in the species, which we actually put a little table for ourselves on here to change the species. And you can go right up to the piece and check it and kind of run it over it and make the customer feel comfortable with what we're not just telling him, yeah, it's a dried piece of wood, you're good to go. With this unit, it's quick and easy to grab and actually show him what they're getting. So it is nice to be able to show our customers as the wood leaves here what the moisture is. So if they take it and they store it improperly, or they install it improperly, or they have a moisture problem at their house or at their job site, we can come back and say, hey, it was 10% when it left here. We can go out to a job site, which we have done, with our meter and say, okay, I don't know where this wood has been, how you've stored it. It was 10% when it left here, left our shop. Now you're at 15%. So yes, your size of your boards and your cupping is going to happen and stuff like that as it's reabsorbed moisture. So it's nice to be able to meter here and cover ourselves by knowing what it was when it left.